I'm back with my next episode of Sunday Stories. And today, as you must have read the title, the story's name is Have an Eagle Attitude. We will talk about the eagle attitude also. First, the short story. There was a farmer. One day, when he was coming back from the hillside, he saw an abandoned nest. He quickly went to see why the nest was lying on the way. He went and he saw that it was an eagle's nest and also found an egg in the nest. He went a little far, sat down, waited for the whole day to see if the mother of the egg returned, the eagle mother returned, or any of the siblings or any other eagle. But when the whole day no one came, he took out the egg from the nest and brought it to his own farm and kept this egg in the nest of the chickens, in the chicken's nest. He felt that if he would leave the abandoned egg in the nest over there, any animal could destroy it, eat it. So he brought the egg to his own farm and kept it in the chicken's nest. After 2 weeks' time, the egg hatched and a baby eagle came out. The baby eagle started staying with all the chickens. The hens in the farm, they looked after the baby eagle in the same way they used to look after their own children. He was brought up in their same way. Now you must have seen these hens, they don't fly high. They just, hop or fly for, it's not high, it's just nearby, right? They don't go to a certain height. So the eagle, this baby eagle also never, tried to fly. The way he saw the others doing, he also did the same thing. He was always with the chickens. When they used to go and squabble for the grain that was spread, he also used to go with them. He used to run behind them, and whole day he used to be there. And when it used to rain, when it was stormy, he used to go and sleep inside the chicken's house, the way the other chickens did. So he was brought up in the same manner as the chickens, the small chicks are brought up. He grew that way. In fact, it was larger than the others because the eagle is larger to look at. The size is larger. And he did not know what capabilities he had in himself. He himself did not know. Neither he tried to find out whether he could fly, whether he could do something else or not. It remained the same way as he copied the others. He grew old, grew up, and after a few years he grew old. And till this span of time, he had never looked up at the sky. The other hens, the chicks, they never looked up. Why did they never looked up? Because they couldn't fly. So then they didn't see up. Eagles are known to soar high up in the sky. But this eagle did not know about this. He did not know his own capabilities. So he also never looked up. When he became old, he had lived in this chick house for such a long time, and he grew old. One day, he thought of looking up at the sky. And when he looked up at the sky, he saw a beautiful large eagle soaring high up in the sky. He himself didn't know he was an eagle. He thought he used to stay with the hens. He used to stay with the chicks. He was similar to them. And do you know what he wished? He wished that God should have made him an eagle. He wished to be an eagle because he wanted to fly like the eagle that he saw high up in the sky. We all should, this was my story, we all should know our capabilities. We should be self-aware. We have to find out our own abilities on our own. Others will not tell you to do so. You have to break the boundaries if you want to be free, if you want to live your dreams, if you want to live life king size, full of freedom and liberty that God has given to you. Don't follow others. Be your own leader, be your own mentor. Your abilities, you know, you can develop. Whatever you can do, that only you are aware of. No one else will tell you. So it is very important for us to have an eagle attitude. Eagle attitude? Eagles are known for few things which other birds and animals are not known for. Number one, an eagle takes care of its own family. They live together. Eagles live with eagles. They live together. They live with people who are of their standard. All of them fly high, soar high up in the sky. They are not like parrots. A parrot is very beautiful to look at, but the whole day it talks so much. Eagles remain silent. They observe and act accordingly. They have the willpower to touch the sky. So they soar high and high. And you know, silence is golden. Next eagle attitude is that they remain away from bad company. They remain aloof, alone. They are not afraid of being alone. They go high up in the sky alone because they want to achieve what others don't want to achieve. Eagles don't fly with small birds. The ravens, the sparrows, the pigeons, eagles do not fly with them. They remain alone. They are their own mentor, and in the same way, you should know what is a good company for you. If you are around narrow-minded people, leave that company. Always be with those who encourage you to go high. Right? Next attitude. Eagles are fearless. They are not afraid of obstacles and challenges in life. They are fearless, not scared of anything. They are not scared of even the size and strength of their own prey. They know how to fight, being fearless. Alright? Next eagle attitude is they have vision. They are far-sighted. They are very, very focused. And they remain focused until they have grabbed whatever they want. If an eagle's prey is even 5 kilometers away, they have vision, they can look far, and until and unless the eagle has grabbed that, he does not move away his focus. So if you want to achieve your dreams, have vision first and then focus on that vision. Do not deter from that. You will achieve whatever you want, whatever you dream of, whatever your vision is. The next attitude of the eagle is that they train their young ones to fly high in the sky, to leave the comfort zone. If you remain in the comfort zone, you will never be able to achieve. Take risks. Train yourself to build endurance and stamina. Train your inner gut. You will achieve whatever you want. Next attitude is, eagles are tenacious. They are not afraid of storm. Other birds, you must have seen, whenever it rains, whenever it becomes stormy, all the birds, they come back to their nest or the trees wherever they are living, and they remain there behind in between the leaves. They in fact cover their body with their wings. An eagle does not do so. It keeps waiting for the storm, and when it feels the rage of the storm, when it is very strong, it uses that to fly above the clouds, high up in the sky. Never be afraid of problems and obstacles and hardships and whatever stormy times that come in your life. Be tenacious, ready to fight. Make these problems and challenges your friends. They will never make you scared. You will never fear them. Then is, eagles never eat dead. There are scavengers. When animals die, then those animals, those birds, and animals, they go and feed on dead bodies. Eagles feed only the prey they have hunted, they have caught or killed. They never feed on dead. If they are flying and they see a dead animal, they will never feed on that. What I mean to say is, if you have achieved success in past, never rest after that. Don't think you have achieved everything. You have to achieve more. Your past successes are not the only successes. You have to keep working more to accomplish more, to achieve more. You have to keep going on, keep moving on. Next attitude. I wrote them down so that I don't miss anything. I myself try to follow, this eagle attitude. You should also. And the next and the last one, which really inspires me a lot, is that these eagles have vitality. Once they become old, people become old, they retire. All right, an age has been fixed, all right, they retire, but that doesn't mean you stop working. That doesn't mean that you will stop and start living in your comfort zone. Keep doing something. You have to do something. Otherwise, life becomes a burden. Live a productive life. What do eagles do? When eagles become old, they move towards mountain areas, and when they have reached quite a height, there they shed their old wings, the wings that had less strength now. All right, the feathers, they were already coming off, so they remove their wings, they cut their beak because the beak has also becomes weak, and they rub themselves, with the rocks to remove these wings and feathers, the old ones, until they have become bare. None of the wings and the beak has also been cut and the wings have gone. They keep doing so, and this whole process is very, very painful. But it does this. In a few months, and it stays there only. In few months, when the wings again grow, the feathers come out, the beak starts growing, all new things are full of freshness and strength and energy. They soar high and high above the mountains in the sky. Never stop working, even if you become old. Keep doing. You should have that attitude. If you have this, nothing can bring your energy down, not even age. So one should know your own abilities, your own capabilities. Nothing is impossible. You can do anything. Train yourself. Take risks in life. Train yourself. Come out of the comfort zone. Have the willpower to reach high in the sky. Achieve your dreams. Live life king size, the life, the gift that God has given us. Live it happily. Shed your, just the way the eagle shed its old wings, the beak, shed your bad habits. Develop new ones. Be happy. God has given, we all are born with all the abilities that we want to achieve. The only thing is we have to work on it. Stay away from narrow-minded people or people who don't want you to rise. Have good company. Be fearless. Never ever give up. Never have this quitting attitude. As I always say, see through it. This eagle attitude is going to keep you focused. Never surrender. Problems and obstacles will keep coming in life. That is what you have to, go above. Keep working. Achieve. Make these obstacles and these challenges your dreams. Your aim should be to fight them. The eagle, the eagle, being an eagle, did not know his capabilities because he was in a wrong company. He didn't know what he could do and he never tried. Live like tigers. Live like eagles. Fearless. Competent. I hope you liked the eagle attitude and my story. Do share this video too. It will really motivate. I think so. It will really motivate everyone who sees this. Have an eagle attitude. Take good care of yourself. Rise high. Bye bye.